Today we're going to make some makeup setting spray. So when we make up the makeup setting spray, in this right here, guys, I have distilled water, a teaspoon of cosmetic glycerin, guys. And I'm also finna put inside of here the aloe vera gel. So I'm going to put my aloe vera gel in here. Come on. I'm going to just do it like this, guys. But I got to shake it down. But this, guys, will be the best makeup primer. And it's going to last you a lot longer. So this is the aloe vera gel that I'm putting in there. And this is distilled water in here, guys. And a teaspoon of glycerin. So this is my aloe vera gel. So it's going to give you the moisturizer you need. Okay, guys. This is the tea tree oil. Okay. So I'm going to take the tea tree oil and I'm going to put about 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. 3 things of the tea tree oil in there, guys. And then this is a little bit of peppermint and lemon essential oils. Give it that nice minty spray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because of this size of the bottle. Okay, I'm going to shake this up really good, guys. And then I'm going to convert it over into a spray bottle. So when you guys set your makeup, this setting spray is healthy, and because setting spray can be really, really expensive. So now I convert it into a spray bottle. And I use distilled water. I'm not using water from the faucet. Okay. And you shake it up, guys. And then I get my beauty blender and I'll show you guys how well it works. And this will be great too for oily skin, but it makes your makeup last all day. And it has a nice minty smell to it, guys. So, yes, if you guys want to make your own setting spray at home and help your makeup to stay on and last long. So, tea tree oil, aloe vera gel, guys, distilled water, and a teaspoon of glycerin. Because remember, I use it in this big bottle and then convert it over here. So, I'll show you guys. I'll go set my makeup and let you guys see what it do. Alrighty. So I'm back upstairs in my makeup room. So, guys, my makeup kind of been on all day, but I just take the setting spray. Some people do this, but I don't like doing that method. I like to spray my brush. And that little bit of peppermint and lemon essentials oil, it gives it a nice minty feel to it. And some people take a little bit of witch hazel and they put a little witch hazel in theirs, but I don't have any witch hazel, so I didn't put any in there. So I got the tea tree oil, but it's going to have my makeup looking really, really good. So then after I do that, guys, I'm going to find, where's my brush? Okay. Because, you know, your makeup, I'm going to go over it. And this gives me really good coverage. And I have severe oily skin. But when I set my makeup, this really stopped my makeup from getting all over. So it really helps a whole lot. Okay. So, where is my... And this is an all natural setting powder. I mean, the neutral color setting powder. It's like a white. So, because what happens is my skin get oily after so long. So to cut down that oil, I put this on. And it gives me very, very, very good coverage. But the setting spray can be real expensive. You can pay up to $15 for setting spray. So you guys can make your own setting spray. And it'll be all natural. And if you guys don't believe the ingredients, you can look it up and find the ingredients and make it. So after I put that on, I like to spray the Beauty Blender. But this helps my makeup to stay set like all day. I already been out in the sun and everything. And I just wanted to show you guys that it lasts when you put the setting spray on there, guys. It really helps a lot with your setting spray on. So you guys can make your setting spray at home. So I love the feel, and it gives you a fresh feeling too, like when you use it and set it. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys can make your own setting spray at home for your makeup. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. This is a bonus clip. This is going to be for detoxing your face before you get ready to do any of your makeup, guys. You will do this tip. So this is apple cider vinegar, guys, and I'm going to put bottled water in here. So what you'll do with this one, guys, before you get ready to apply your makeup, before you even apply any makeup or any primer, any face cream or whatever, just kind of get your skin prepared to minimize your pores and stuff like that, you'll take a little of this, apple cider vinegar and water, put it on a cotton ball, guys, and wipe your face, get your face prep, and then you can start your moisturizers and whatever else you like to do your routine. But this is like I would say this is like a cleanser, and it minimizes your pores. And I put just a touch of tea tree oil in there too. And it gives it that nice little wake you up feeling before you can put your makeup on. Okay, guys. You guys have an awesome day. Thank you guys so much. Here are a couple still shots of me in my makeup. Yes, the primer definitely helped the makeup last all day. And guys, on these next pictures, this is the research. You guys can actually stop and pause the computer and look at the ingredients, because everything I tell you guys, I definitely been and did the research on it before I put it out there. So this is the apple cider vinegar to help reduce your pores, guys. So that is a toner that you guys can use. So everything I tell you guys, I try to do the research and let you guys see. So if you guys want to look at any of those homemade recipes, pause your computer screen and you guys can look it up for yourself. Have an awesome day and make some face primer. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.